Hello everyone! Welcome to lesson 7 of the Math Tips and Tricks series. In today's lesson, we'll go over a simple method to subtract numbers from a power of 10. Let's get started. We all know that 10 to the power of 1 is 10, 10 to the power of 2 is 100, 10 to the power of 3 is 1000 and so on. These numbers, namely 10, 100 and 1000 are called powers of 10. And today we'll go over a simple method to subtract any number from powers of 10. Now let's try a few examples. Let's say you want to do 1000 minus 543. Here, you're basically subtracting from 1000, which is 10 to the power of 3. Since it's 10 to the power of 3, we need to make sure that the number you're subtracting consists of 3 digits. Here, 543 consists of 3 digits, so we move on to the next step. Starting from the leftmost digit of the number that we are subtracting, we write a 9 above each digit until you reach the last digit. When you reach the last digit, you write 10 above it. Now, starting from the leftmost digit, you do the subtraction. 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 4 is 5, 10 minus 3 is 7. And there you have it, 457 is your final solution. If you noticed, we've done the subtraction without any borrowing. Let's try another one. Let's say you want to do 100,000 minus 346. Here, you're subtracting from 100,000, which is 10 to the power of 5. So, you need to make sure that the number you're subtracting consists of 5 digits. Here, 346 consists of only 3 digits, so you add 2 zeros to make it 5 digits. Now, we move on to the next step. Starting from the leftmost digit, we write a 9 above each of the digits until we reach the last digit. When we reach the last digit, we write 10 above it. Now, starting from the leftmost digit, we do the subtraction. 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 4 is 5, and 10 minus 6 is 4. And there you have it, 99,654 is your final solution. If you like the content, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Please use the PDF link in the description for additional practice. Before we wrap up, let's try one more problem involving decimals. Let's say you want to do 10,000 minus 782.358. Although the problem involves decimals, you notice that the number we are subtracting from is still a power of 10. Here it is 10 to the power of 4. Since it is 10 to the power of 4, we need to make sure that the number before the decimal consists of 4 digits. Here 782 consists of only 3 digits, so we add a 0 to make it 4 digits. Now, starting from the leftmost digit, you write a 9 above each of the digits until you reach the last digit. You go all the way until you reach the last digit. And here you write a 10. Now, starting from the leftmost digit, you do the subtraction. 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 5 is 4, 10 minus 8 is 2. And then you place the decimal point. And there you have it, 9217.642 is your final solution. With sufficient practice, you should be able to solve these types of problems quickly without making a mistake. In lesson 8, we'll go over a similar subtraction strategy. I look forward to meeting you in lesson 8. Thanks for watching.